Hello, welcome back. As you can see behind me, the Mini is now sitting back on the floor. That's because I need to drill out a load of spot welds along this doorstep just to pull off the inner sill, and then I'll flip it back up on its side so I can cut along. If you haven't seen these yet, I got some, my friend did some t-shirts for me, so I'll leave a link in the description and you can pick one of these up for yourself. Really nice organic cotton. Every one that gets sold I get a little bit of money to help towards the project, so if you wanted to help out then that's a good way to do that. Yeah, so we're just gonna crack on and drill out some spot welds. Right then, boys and girls, the time has come. I'm a little bit nervous about this, but I'm just going to go for it. I've got cut out, I need to cut out this whole inner sill, so I'm just gonna go for it. So I've got the angle grinder ready, let's go. Bin, I think, and drill some more spot welds, and I'll rip that out as well. Lovely.